futuristic skyscrapers that touch the clouds, golden deserts that seem endless, luxury shopping, exotic culture, and world-class attractions, Dubai is like no other place on Earth. From record-breaking landmarks to hidden gems you didn't even know existed, this city has it all. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 best places to visit in Dubai that should be on everyone's bucket list. Whether you're planning your first trip or coming back for more, you'll definitely find something here that makes you say, wow, that's Dubai. Number 10. Dubai Frame. We kick off our list with the Dubai Frame, one of the city's most unique architectural landmarks. Standing 150 meters tall, it literally looks like a giant picture frame. But here's the cool part. When you look through one side, you see modern Dubai's glittering skyline, and from the other side, you see the old parts of the city. It's like stepping between past and future in one spot. Inside, there's a museum on the ground floor that tells the story of Dubai's transformation from desert to metropolis. And at the top, there's a glass-floored sky bridge that gives you incredible views, if you're not afraid of heights. Travel tip: go just before sunset. You'll get daytime views, watch the sunset, and then see Dubai light up at night. 3 amazing views in one visit. Number 9. Dubai Creek and Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. Next, let's step back in time at Dubai Creek and the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, also known as Al Bastakia. This is where Dubai's history comes alive. Before oil was discovered, this creek was the heart of trade, especially for pearls and spices. You can take a traditional wooden abra ride across the creek for just 1 dirham. It's the cheapest and most authentic ride in the city. Then wander through Al Fahidi's narrow lanes, wind towers, and restored houses that showcase life in the 19th century. Fun fact, the wind towers you see here were an early form of air conditioning, designed to capture the breeze and cool the houses naturally. Travel tip: pair your visit with a stop at the Dubai Museum in Al Fahidi Fort. It's small, but gives a fascinating look at the city's humble beginnings. Number 8. Jumeirah Mosque. Number 8 is the stunning Jumeirah Mosque, one of the most beautiful mosques in the UAE and the only one in Dubai that's open to non-Muslim visitors. Built entirely from white stone in the traditional Fatimid style, it's especially breathtaking when lit up at dusk. What makes it extra special is the cultural experience. The Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding hosts guided tours here, where you can learn about Emirati traditions, Islamic culture, and even try Arabic coffee and dates. Travel tip: dress modestly and respectfully. Women are given abayas and scarves at the entrance if needed. The tours are not only educational, but also really friendly and welcoming. Number 7. Dubai Mall and Dubai Aquarium. Coming in at number 7, the Dubai Mall. Now, this isn't just a mall. It's practically a city inside a building. With over 1,200 shops, an Olympic-sized ice rink, and a massive indoor waterfall, it's a destination on its own. But the real highlight is the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Imagine walking through a tunnel surrounded by thousands of fish, rays, and even sharks. It feels like you're in another world. Fun fact: the aquarium's viewing panel is one of the largest in the world, and it holds over 10 million liters of water. Travel tip: even if shopping isn't your thing, come here for the entertainment and food. There are endless dining options with cuisines from all over the world. Number 6. Desert Safari. Halfway through our list, we're heading out of the city and into the golden sands with the Dubai Desert Safari. This is an absolute must-do experience. You'll ride in a 4x4 vehicle over rolling dunes. It's like a roller coaster in the sand. Once you reach the desert camp, you can ride camels, try sandboarding, and enjoy cultural performances like belly dancing and tanura shows. And of course, you'll feast on a traditional Arabian barbecue under the stars. Travel tip: book your safari in advance with a reputable company. Most tours offer both morning and evening options, but the evening safari is especially magical with the sunset and night sky. Number 5. Palm Jumeirah. Number 5 is the world-famous Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree. It's one of the most ambitious engineering projects in the world, and from above, it looks absolutely stunning. On the Palm, you'll find luxury hotels like Atlantis the Palm, pristine beaches, and amazing restaurants. You can even take a monorail across the island to see the incredible views. Fun fact, the Palm Jumeirah is so big, it can be seen from space. Travel tip, book a stay or at least a day pass at one of the beach clubs here. If you're up for adventure, try skydiving over the Palm for the ultimate view. It's one of Dubai's most iconic experiences. Number 4. Dubai Marina and JBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence. At number 4, we have Dubai Marina and JBR, the city's lively waterfront district. Think skyscrapers, yachts, trendy cafes, and a buzzing nightlife scene. You can stroll along the marina walk, take a boat cruise, or just relax at JBR Beach, where you can swim, try water sports, or simply enjoy the view of the Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel. Travel tip, visit in the evening. The marina lights up beautifully, and you'll find plenty of restaurants with outdoor seating where you can dine with the view of the water. Number 3. Burj Al Arab. Number 3 is the iconic Burj Al Arab, often called the world's only 7-star hotel. Shaped like a sail, it's one of the most photographed landmarks in Dubai and a symbol of luxury. While staying there can cost thousands per night, you can still experience the magic by booking a dining reservation in one of its restaurants, like Al Mahara, which features a giant aquarium wall. Fun fact, the helipad on top of the Burj Al Arab has hosted tennis matches, boxing events, and even stunt performances. Travel tip, if you just want photos, head to Jumeirah Public Beach nearby for the perfect backdrop of the hotel without spending a fortune. Number 2. Dubai Fountain and Burj Khalifa. At number 2, we're heading to the heart of downtown Dubai. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing at a jaw-dropping 828 meters. From the observation decks on the 124th, 125th, and even the 148th floor, the view is absolutely mind-blowing. Right next door is the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain show. Imagine jets of water dancing up to 150 meters high, perfectly synchronized to music and lights. It's a show you can watch again and again. Travel tip, book your Burj Khalifa tickets online in advance to avoid long lines. For the fountain, shows happen every 30 minutes in the evening, and the best view is actually from ground level by the waterfront promenade. Number 1. Global Village. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is Global Village, a place that truly captures the spirit of Dubai's diversity. Open during the cooler months, this cultural and entertainment park features pavilions from over 75 countries. You can walk from the Taj Mahal to the Eiffel Tower, shop for handicrafts, and sample food from every corner of the globe, all in one evening. There are also concerts, carnival rides, and spectacular stage shows, making it a perfect outing for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Travel tip, arrive early to avoid the evening rush and wear comfortable shoes. You'll be walking a lot. Don't forget to bring some cash for street food stalls. The snacks here are delicious and affordable. So there you have it, the top 10 best places to visit in Dubai. From futuristic skyscrapers and luxurious resorts to historic neighborhoods and cultural experiences, Dubai is a city that never stops surprising its visitors. Which of these places would you visit first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your dream Dubai itinerary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Wander World, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.